Thank you. Your Excellency, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya, Commander-in-Chief of the Defense Forces, and Chancellor of the National Defense University of Kenya, Cabinet Secretary, Ministry of Defense, Honorable Suipan Tuya, Chief of Defense Forces, the Principal Secretary, Defense, distinguished members of the University Council, the Vice Chancellor, National Defense University of Kenya, faculty, graduates, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Your Excellency, it is both a great honor and privilege to stand before you today at the second graduation ceremony of the National Defense University of Kenya. This event, Your Excellency, marks a significant milestone in our nation's pursuit of excellence both in education and national security. Your Excellency, I would like to take a moment to acknowledge the unique position of the National Defense University of Kenya within our educational landscape. On May 27, 2021, this esteemed institution was awarded a charter under Section 24 of the Universities Act 2012. This momentous achievement came after the Commission for University Education affirmed that the university met the rigorous standards required to offer specialized education in defense and strategic national concerns. Today, the NDUK holds a distinctive mandate of serving as a hub for advanced study in national security, providing critical insights and guidance to our government as it navigates complex security challenges and shapes policy. As we mark this second graduation, it is evident that the university has made tremendous strides in fulfilling its mandate. The growth and impact of the university are directly aligned with my ministry's goals of advancing specialized education to meet the evolving needs of our nation and region. Your Excellency, we are deeply grateful for your continued support and leadership. As the Chancellor of National Defense University Kenya, your vision and dedication has been critical in guiding this institution towards its success. Your continued commitment to education and national security has allowed the university to thrive, and we look forward to its continued growth under your leadership. I also wish to express my sincere appreciation to the Ministry of Defense, led by Honorable Suipan Tuya, for her invaluable support that has helped to guide this institution to where it is today. I must also acknowledge the hard work of the chairperson of the University Council, the entire council, the Vice Chancellor, and the entire management and staff of the National Defense University of Kenya. Your tireless efforts are reflected in the accomplishments of today's graduates and the rising prestige of this institution to where it is today. As the Cabinet Secretary for Education, I am affirming my commitment and unwavering support to the National Defense University of Kenya. In recognition of the position we find ourselves in today, I encourage the university management to pursue innovative strategies for additional funding, particularly for research initiatives. To the graduates, congratulations for achieving this great milestone. Today is a great day of pride for you and your families. Stand as proud ambassadors of this esteemed institution. I encourage each of you to uphold the values you have acquired and serve with honor and commitment. The world awaits you. Thank you, and may God bless us all. Your Excellency, may I now take this opportunity and to invite my colleague, Honorable Suipan Tuya, Cabinet Secretary of Defense, to make our remarks. Thank you, and God bless you.